Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Libra, this is a read for the 2nd of October weekend, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So let's see what's happening with our Librans on this weekend. What can we expect, Spirit? Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. And if you're new here, do join us, join our Omkara family. We welcome you in. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends. So we'd be happy to have you with us. Welcome. So Libra, before I put your tarot cards down, I'm going to take an angel blessing card from the universe as always. My angels, what do you have for Libra now? Be brave. You're needing courage to do something, Libra, it seems. So don't be scared. Don't hide away. If you have something to do, something to say to someone, it's time to be brave and make that call. Okay? So let's see why this card is here. I'm going to keep it here with my angel and see what it's going to say with the rest of our reading. So Libra, let's begin. This is going to be a mini read, Libra, just to check your weekend energies. Of course, your longer readings are on their way. I'll start posting them after Thursday now. But meanwhile, let's just check on your weekend energies. And we're done. Four of Cups in reverse. Feeling a little lost, are you, Libra? What are you feeling sad about? Spirit is saying be brave here. Knight of Wands, Six of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. Justice in reverse. Here's your card, Libra. King of Wands and the Four of Wands. Okay, so Libra, it seems that you really want to take some fast moving action here, but something is stopping you. Something is stopping you here. Yeah, as much as you want to rush forward to wherever you want to go or whoever you want to go, maybe some past actions have been such, Libra, that you feel you can't, right? You, even though you're dying to just pick up that one horse and charge ahead, there is a blockage in travel, or there could be a blockage in your mind to be able to move forward to the person that you really want to go to, because right now you're not feeling, yeah, you feel things have really come to a halt and you're not sure how the other person feels. Maybe you feel there is no news from the other end, and you're not feeling very victorious at the moment. In fact, you're feeling quite embarrassed with the Six of Wands in reverse. Now, this could be you, Libra. It could be your cross watcher. I'm not sure, but take it as it goes, right? So, I think it seems, Libra, somebody's made a choice here. Either you or your partner, somebody's made a choice here about something which happened in the past, which was not really good. Maybe there was some in and out behavior. There could have been maybe somebody got caught out, cheating. And I have a Queen of Wands here who's very, very upset and angry about this. And that's the reason you're not sure of how to now move ahead in this. I also see some holding back. Yeah, it seems that one person here is holding back their love and affection. They're no longer wanting to give to the situation and trying to get over all the stress and tension in this relationship. There has been injustice done. There has been a huge injustice done in this relationship, and maybe there were too many options, there were too many people in the mix, and that's led to a whole lot of confusion going forward, taking this relationship forward. Somebody here feels that things have not been put right. There's been injustice. Justice card is in reverse, and there is a lot of instability. Yeah, this Ten of Cups, which was supposed to be upright, is now in reverse, Libra, for you. Or this is how your cross watcher is feeling, that there is no happiness to be had anymore after this upset has been caused. Yes, There is no wish fulfillment left anymore in this relationship, Libra. There are people who are angry, there are people who are afraid, there are people who are holding back here. So you know which side you're on, Libra, but there is a lot of instability. There is a masculine energy here, Libra, who is not feeling as safe and secure and as powerful as they would have liked. Yeah, maybe they were selfish in the past. Okay, there is somebody who was a bit selfish in the past, and because of that behavior, a relationship has kind of come to a halt. Or maybe the other person has made a decision to bring it to a halt because of somebody's selfish behavior here. The Four of Wands is in reverse as well, so that again indicates, Libra, the stability of this relationship is right now very rocky, and somebody here is very, very upset and angry. Now, I have two people who are upset and angry, Libra, in this equation. I have the King of Swords, which could be you, as a air sign, and I have the Queen of Wands here, who could be a fire sign, and that this person is also in reverse. So there is a lot of upset and angry energy between the two of you, and the person who's done wrong, even if they want to move forward, they are a bit afraid right now, and they're sitting at this energy, right? Sitting a bit depressed, a bit sad. In fact, if I remember clearly, your last reading had the caption of sitting under a tree, question mark, and here you are again sitting under that same tree. So you really haven't picked yourself up, it seems, or maybe your partner hasn't, and it's time now to make a decision, Libra. It's time soon to make a decision if you want to feel this security and this love and affection once again. But right now I think there's still a bit of scare. You're still not brave enough to finish off this last chapter of your life, which has led to all this unrest and unpeace, and move yourself forward. And hence there is a lot of heartbreak for both of you, right? Which is really sad. So let's see now, Libra, what's coming up for this weekend. Are you going to be brave? Eight of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and the Magician. Wow. Somebody here is in a self-imposed prison, first of all. They are very stressed out, feeling like, they're unable to move. They have a blindfold on their eyes and they feel they're surrounded by their negative thoughts. They feel there is no way that they can move forward. But Libra, please understand, this is self-imposed totally, right? They want to return back to their happy space. But they don't know how. See this person, how bound they are, swords all around and blindfolded eyes, hands tied. But this is only card in the tarot deck, Libra, which is indicates there's nobody holding you down. There's nobody in sight except your own mind. You can easily walk through these swords. In fact, there are none right in front of you. They're all on the side and behind. You can easily walk straight out. But because of this mental turmoil that one person is going through, Libra, this could be you. You are not understanding how to get back to get this, your Ten of Pentacles. What I think you're trying to sit back and manifest, right? But manifest, you cannot manifest in this way. On one hand, you are manifesting a Ten of Pentacles. On the other side, you're saying, hey, I don't think I'm going to get it. So you're actually contradicting yourself, right? And the universe is getting pretty confused. They don't know what to manifest for you. Do you want the Ten of Pentacles, or are you saying, it's not going to happen, and that's because you're in your own mental prison? So you have to become very clear and manifest something positive for yourself. And if you can do that, I'm sure things are going to move ahead for you. So let's take some clarifiers for this. Spirit, what's this Eight of Swords for Libra? What's this Eight of Swords for Libra? Yeah, you feel that there is no way you can get back to this love of yours. At one time, this may have seemed like a soulmate connection. Somebody, you would be with forever and ever after, your happy, secure place. Right now, you are stressed that they may not love you anymore because now they're very angry and upset with you of whatever happened in the past. We won't get into that, but you are stressed that maybe you've lost their love. So Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, you really want to come out of this abandoned, feeling abandoned and cold place, right? You feel that you've been left behind, nobody loves you anymore, nobody cares for you anymore, but you're really wishing for this warmth of this person who maybe you consider home. Yeah, this person is very, very nurturing and loving and kind and caring, and you are wishing and hoping and manifesting that this person, you could be back with this person, right? Into your safe place. This person makes you feel like home. So, magician spirit, is Libra going to do something this weekend with the magician energy? One more. I've taken lots of cards for you, Libra, so that we are clear. Libra, 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 Libra. Okay, so on one hand, you want to appear as this stable, secure person who can manifest this relationship going forth, right? This is what you're trying to get stability back in your life of this very happy place with your person. On the other hand, this is your condition, crying over spilt milk, too wrapped up in the past, looking at everything that went down. So, what's going to happen? Libra, you're going to get confused. And not only are you getting confused, you're confusing the universe here. Even the energies don't know which side are you on. Are you on the side which is crying over spilt milk? That are you manifesting this for yourself or are you manifesting this for yourself? So don't be in this confusing energy, Libra, anymore. I think right now I don't see you making any move. You are still guarding yourself. You're still standing there, battered and bruised, wanting to fight one more time and yet not really making a move here, Libra. You're manifesting wrong. If there is any way that, if you're seeing this YouTube, please, there are lots of YouTubes which can help you manifest the correct way. I think there's a bit of confusion here in the way you're manifesting and trying to get back to your happy place. So please spend the weekend in a positive direction. I think it's time now for you to reveal all your innermost secrets and look forward to your ships coming in. What you are trying to do is still hide your feelings here, Libra, right? You're not going ahead and showing this love that you have in your heart, right? It's time for you to release all this toxic energy from your life and manifest one way. You can't have it both ways, right? That's all I have for you, Libra. I hope you understood what I'm saying. And if not, check out some YouTube videos, okay, on how to manifest in a positive direction, one way. Love and light. Take care, Libra. I'll see you soon. Namaste.